There are so many beautiful places on the African continent that attract tourists in droves. From Kenya, Namibia, South Africa, Tanzania, Ghana, Benin Republic, to even Nigeria. In Lagos, a state in the southwestern part of Nigeria filled with lots of opportunities, many beautiful places exist. And I'm about to show you one of them, which I consider the most underrated vacation spot and resort in Nigeria. We were looking for a place to relax and unwind for a week, so we chose this place. The idea was to lodge in the hotel and also relax on the beach, as we heard that hotel guests are granted free access to the beach. But we ended up getting way more than we bargained for. You can see that we found paradise on earth. This beautiful place we found is called Landmark Hotels and Beach Resort and is located at Victoria Island, Lagos. That when you make a reservation at Landmark Hotel and Beach Resort, you get some complimentary things. Let me put it that way. So there's complimentary breakfast for one. There's free beach access for two. Yes, because two people are like the standard number of people in a room. Then 20% off all spa services that are being offered in their spa. The 22-room Landmark Hotel on the 7th floor of Landmark Towers has stunning views of the city and the Atlantic Ocean front, while the beach resort, which is a few minutes walk from the hotel, faces the beach directly. Staying in any of the two accommodation options, you're guaranteed to have the time of your life. The hotel rooms are standard rooms with a bed, television, refrigerator, bathroom, free Wi-Fi, desk, and wardrobe. And the prices range from 57,800 naira, which is about $125, to 75,600 naira, which is about $163. There are a few rooms in the hotel I would advise you lodge in, and that's the Classic City View and the Classic Sea View. I stayed in both of them on different days and soaked up both experiences. The City View room gives you a full view of the city, which is lovely during the day and at night, while the Sea View room gives you a full view of the beach area from your hotel room. Our room has a city view, which is so lovely. Let me show you. This is it. Yes. So this room is called the Classic City View, and it's literally a city view. This is the first time I've seen Lagos in this light. It is so beautiful. You have to see this for yourself. There's another room that has the sea view, and I'm thinking that we might move to that room before the end of our vacation also to experience what the sea view feels like here. So this is the view I told you I was going to show you. This is the sea view, and it's really amazing. From here you can see the pool, you can see the basketball court, you can see the cabanas, you can see the beach. I mean, it's just all in one package. I don't know, things like this just excites me because, yeah, I mean, why not? The Classic City View, as at the time of this video, cost 57,800 naira, which is approximately $125, while the Classic Sea View costs slightly higher at 66,800 naira, which is approximately $145. You can check their current prices on their website via the link in the description below.
You just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light, you're able to be happy.
The beach resort, on the other hand, has rooms ranging from 84,500 naira, which is approximately $183, to 489,000 naira, which is approximately $1,000 per night, with the 489,000 being for a 5-bedroom beach house. The beach resort is different from the hotel, but I prefer the hotel to the beach resort, trust me, because the view is really amazing from the room we got. But the beach resort is just there, laid back and all. I haven't gone inside any of the rooms at the beach resort, so I wouldn't be able to show you that. It's just that the beach resort is closer to the beach than the hotel. But from the hotel, when you get to the ground floor, you can easily access the beach as well, which is, I mean, still a win-win.
Do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light, you're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be.
There is also an apartment with 7 rooms, which was about 175,000 naira per night as at the time of my stay, which means each of the rooms cost 25,000 naira per night. I only knew about it when we were taken there to relax till our room was ready. It had a kitchen and a general sitting room, and this could be ideal if you're on a vacation with friends and family who will be staying in different rooms, but you still want to be close to them.
You can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light, you're able to be happy.
The hotel operates a cashless policy, so it's preferable to make all your bookings online. If you really need to pay at the hotel, you would have to do so via bank transfer. We are finally heading to the beach area. We've gotten our tags. This tag color is for hotel guests only. Different tag colors exist for other people like beach visitors and beach club members. It is only meant for easy identification, and your tag has to be on at all times as security lets people into different areas based on the color of their tag. Access to the beach is absolutely free for beach club members as well as hotel and beach resort guests, but it is not free for every other individual. The entrance fee for adults is 3,500 naira on weekdays and 1,750 naira for children from 6 to 12 years, and it's totally free for children less than 6 years old. If you intend on bringing food into the beach area, you have to pay a corkage fee, and you can check out the different prices on their website, landmarkbeach.ng. In this beach area, you'll find restaurants, an amusement park, a paintball arena, kids club, and even a water park. Activities you can participate in at the beach area are AstroTurf football, basketball and mini golf, volleyball, jet ski, boat cruise, kayaking, paintball, and even ATV riding, also known as quad biking. You can find out the prices of all these activities on the Landmark Beach website via the link in my description. Please note that the cost of these activities are not included in the beach entrance fee. So even as a hotel and beach resort guest, although access to the beach is free, you'll have to pay for other activities if you want to participate in them. I rode on a quad bike for the first time here, and it was so exciting. The quad bike costs 6,000 naira per adult for each lap. You said it's 6,000 per person for a lap, so that's 12,000 for two. All right. Please, hold on. Let's get some. How did you turn it on and how did you turn it off? I won't have to turn it off, right?
Just focus on the movement. That's all.
how do I slow down if I'm going to? I don't
The
want to
brake.
go too
Just
fast.
leave the throttle.
Just leave the touch.
Oh, okay.
Very, very easy.
Hey. Oh.
Vera, are you scared?
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down. And now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Everyone got stories, so let's start listening. Let the rain wash away.
There's also a water park called the Aquatic Water Park, said to be the first inflatable water park in Nigeria. Prices range from 5,000 to 11,000 naira depending on the number of hours you're booking for, the highest price being booking for a full day. At the water park, there's a water slide, bounce house, and even a jumping castle. One of the beautiful things about this place is the free transportation within the resort. This includes the beach area. All you have to do is wait by the passage and flag down any tricycle you see, step in, and then alight at your desired stop. Outside the beach area, there are event centers, a cinema, restaurants, malls, and even stores where you can purchase things you need. We ate at 355 Restaurant and Amazon Spore. There's also Hard Rock Cafe and Shiro, all at the Landmark. We decided to fit in a movie date as part of our itinerary because there was a film house cinema there too. We watched The Woman King, which was absolutely amazing. The resort is everything they say it is: family friendly, beautiful, serene, and relaxing. I call it the all-in-one beach resort, and I'm sure you can see why I say this is one of the most underrated vacation spots in Nigeria. Have you stayed here before, or have you even visited the beach? If you haven't, is it somewhere you'd love to experience during your next vacation? Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you loved this video, please give it a like, share this video to your loved ones, and then click on the subscribe button to support my channel. Thank you so much once again for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.